Hello everyone. Want to upload your first Arduino program but don't know how to connect the Arduino UNO to your laptop or any other device? Don't worry, in this video I'll guide you through the complete connection process in just a few simple steps. So the first step is connecting the Arduino UNO to a laptop or any other device using a USB Type B cable. Okay, this is a USB Type B cable, or even it is called as a printer USB cable. Now one end of the USB, that is one end of the cable, it must be a USB Type B which is connected to the USB port of the Arduino UNO here, and while the other end, that is, it will be a Type A which will be connected to your laptop or any other device. So it will be connected to the USB port of the laptop or any other device. Now this connection, it allows the laptop or any other device to supply power to the Arduino and enables program uploading and serial communication through the Arduino IDE. And here both the cable ends, okay, you can see there are two cable ends. You have one that is the Type B, which is connected to the Arduino UNO USB port, and another is the Type A, USB Type A, which is connected to your laptop or any other device. So here this is about the first step, which is connecting the Arduino UNO to the laptop or any other device. Now second step is checking the power LED on the Arduino UNO after connecting it to a laptop or any other device. Now once the cable is connected, here this green button, okay, this green on power LED should glow continuously. This is the LED. Once your Arduino UNO is connected by using this cable to your system or any other device, this must glow. Okay, it must glow continuously, indicating that the board is receiving power and it is ready for use. Now a glowing on LED, it confirms that the Arduino UNO is powered correctly through the laptops or any other system's USB port. And here if the LED does not turn on, okay, that is if the LED is off, then user should check the USB cable, try another USB port, or ensure the cable is functioning properly. Okay, this simple check, it will help verify that the Arduino board is powered and ready for programming. So what you have to do, you have to connect your Arduino UNO to the system or any other device or laptop using the cable. Once it is connected, this LED must glow on, that is this green, okay, green LED. Then it means that your board is working. Now the third step is installing the Arduino IDE, which is a software which is used to write, compile and upload the programs. Here these are called as sketches. The programs here in Arduino IDE, these are called as the programs which are written to the Arduino UNO. And the first step is to visit the official Arduino website. Okay, this is the official Arduino website, and download the latest version of the Arduino IDE that matches your operating system, such as the Windows, Mac OS or the Linux. And using the official website ensures that the software is genuine, secure and up to date. Now after downloading the installer, run the setup program. Okay, you have to run the setup program, then and follow the installation instructions. Now once the installation is complete, open the Arduino IDE. Okay, open the Arduino IDE from the desktop or the start menu. The Arduino IDE, it provides a simple programming environment where users can create, edit, verify and upload the Arduino programs. Okay, now it includes essential features such as you have the code editor, then you have verify button and the compiling programs, upload button for transferring the code to the Arduino board, and the serial monitor for viewing communication between the computer and the Arduino. Now here you can see the simple flow which summarizes the installation process. That is, first you have to visit the official Arduino website. You have to download the Arduino IDE. Then you have to install the software and open the Arduino IDE. So successfully opening the IDE confirms that the software is installed correctly and the system is ready for programming and communicating with the Arduino UNO. Now your fourth step is selecting the Arduino UNO board in the Arduino IDE before uploading a program. Choosing the correct board ensures that the Arduino IDE compiles the program using the correct microcontroller settings and uploads it successfully to the connected board. So here the process begins by opening the Arduino IDE. From the menu bar, here from the menu bar you have to click on the tools, then you have to select the board. Okay, here you have to select the board to display the list of the supported Arduino boards. Next, from these all are the supporting Arduino boards. Now you have to you have to choose Arduino AVR boards. Okay, here Arduino AVR boards, which contains all the boards based on the AVR microcontrollers. Finally, you have to click on Arduino UNO to set it as the target board. Now once selected, the Arduino IDE is configured to work with the Atmega 328P microcontroller used on the Arduino UNO. Now here you can see the summary where like you have to first go to tools, then select board, then Arduino AVR boards, and you have to click on Arduino UNO. So here this makes the steps easier for beginners to follow, and here selecting the correct board, it is an essential step because choosing the wrong board may result in compilation errors, upload failures, or improper program execution. Now after completing this step, the Arduino IDE is correctly configured. Next step is to select the COM port and upload the programs to the Arduino board, or that is the Arduino UNO. So the fifth step is selecting the COM port in the Arduino IDE, which is necessary for communication between the computer and the Arduino UNO. Now after connecting the Arduino UNO to the laptop or any other device system using a USB cable and selecting the correct board, the next step is to choose the correct COM, that is a communication port. And this allows the Arduino IDE to identify the connected board and upload the program successfully. So here you can see that there are three simple steps. Okay, first you have to click on the tools from the Arduino IDE menu. Next you have to select the port, this port, to display the list of available communication ports. Okay, here. Then finally choose the COM port. COM port. So associated with the Arduino UNO, that is the COM3 port you have to select. This is associated with the Arduino UNO, and the correct port usually appears only when the Arduino board is connected to the computer. So here it also explains, okay, this part, how to identify the correct COM port using the Windows Device Manager. Okay, so where the board may appear as Arduino UNO COM3, okay, this one, or USB serial CH340, that is COM3 for compatible ports. And a success indicator confirms, this is the success indicator, it confirms that selecting the correct COM port enables the Arduino IDE to upload programs to the board. Now if no COM port appears, user should check the USB cable, or they must try another USB port and install or update the Arduino drivers if required. So after selecting the correct COM port, the Arduino UNO is ready to receive and execute the uploaded programs. Now next, sixth step, it is uploading the Blink program to the Arduino UNO using the Arduino IDE. So the Blink program, it is one of the built-in example sketches, that is a program provided with the Arduino IDE, and it is commonly used to verify that the Arduino board is functioning correctly. Okay, so here the process begins by opening the Arduino IDE. Okay, then after that you have to go to the file, then you have to go to examples, that is you have to click on the examples. After that 1 point basics, and then you have to click on the Blink. Okay, 0.1 basics, then you have to click on the blink. This opens the blink sketch. Okay, here blink sketch, that is a blink program will open, which contains a simple program that turns the built-in LED connected to the pin 13. Okay, pin 13 on for 1 second and off for another second repeatedly. Now before uploading the program, you have to click onto the verify to compile the program or to compile the code and check for any syntax or compilation errors here. Okay, you can see this or this. Then if the program compiles successfully, click on the upload button to transfer the compiled code to the Arduino UNO through the USB connection. During the upload process, the TX and RX LEDs on the Arduino may blink, indicating that the data is being transferred between the computer and the board. Now once the upload is complete, the message done uploading appears in the Arduino IDE here, and it confirms that the upload is successful, and the built-in LED on pin 13 then begins blinking continuously at 1 second intervals. Okay, here it will blink continuously for 1 second interval, that is for 1 second it will be on, for another 1 second it will be off. So it demonstrates that the Arduino UNO is correctly connected, programmed and executing the uploaded sketch. So this simple test confirms that both the hardware and the software are working properly. Then next 7th step is the checking the Arduino UNO after uploading the blink program to verify that the board is functioning correctly. Now during the upload process, the TX, okay, the TX, that is a transmit, and the RX, that is the receive LEDs blink, indicating that the data is being exchanged between the computer and the Arduino UNO through the USB connection. Now the TX LED flashes when data is sent from the Arduino. Okay, this one transmit when it is sent from the Arduino to the computer, and the RX, it will flash when the Arduino receives the data from the computer. So this confirms that the program is being transferred successfully. Now after the upload is complete, the built-in LED here, this built-in LED connected to pin 13, which is marked as L. Okay, this is marked as L. Okay, it will be connected to pin 13. So here this starts blinking automatically, and the blink program turns the LED on for 1 second and off for 1 second, repeating this pattern. This blinking confirms that Arduino UNO has received the program, and the Atmega 328P microcontroller is executing the code correctly, and the board is operating normally. Now here the TX and RX, okay, LEDs, these blink during the uploading, that is uploading, and then done uploading message appears in the Arduino IDE, and pin 13 blinks continuously. This LED, it blinks continuously, and the troubleshooting section reminds that is users to verify that the UNO board and the correct COM port are selected, and that the USB cable is securely connected if the LED does not blink. So successfully completing this step confirms that the Arduino UNO is properly connected, programmed and ready for developing more advanced projects. Then your 8th step is test serial communication, which is optional. Between the this step is optional. So here it is testing the serial communication between the Arduino UNO and the computer using the serial monitor in the Arduino IDE. Now this step is optional, but it is very useful for displaying the sensor readings, debugging programs and monitoring data sent by the Arduino. Now the process, it begins by opening the serial monitor from the tools. Then you have to select the serial monitor, okay, here in the Arduino IDE. Next you have to next is the baud rate in the serial monitor. Okay, baud rate in the serial monitor here, which is commonly 9600 baud. If the baud rates do not match, the displayed text will be unreadable or no data will appear. Okay, so here it is very necessary to match the baud rate. Now you can see here which is shown in the example here code. Okay, it uses a serial dot begin in bracket 9600, which is the baud rate, to initialize serial communication, and then you have serial.println here. Okay, this is used to send the messages from the Arduino to the computer. Data here, it is sent from the Arduino to the computer. Now when the program is running, the serial monitor, it displays the transmitted messages such as hello serial communication, and then temperature, humidity, and also the status information. So this confirms that the data is being successfully exchanged between the Arduino UNO and the computer through the USB connection. Now if no messages appear, then the user should verify the USB connection, ensure correct COM port and Arduino UNO board are selected, then confirm the baud rate matches the program, and check that the sketch uses serial.println. Then successful message display confirms that here that the serial communication is working properly. So here this shows the working of the testing of the serial communication, wherein we are using a Arduino IDE, wherein we'll check the serial monitor. You have a USB cable which is used to connect the Arduino UNO and the your system or any other device. So this is about the connection of the Arduino UNO to your system, laptop or any other device, and checking whether it is working or no. Thank you.